Congratulations, if you're in Colorado, there is money sitting there for you. Well, there might be. So that's not a guarantee, but if you want to find out if you have money sitting away, put away by the state in Colorado for you, just put your name in, put George Smith, and we'll hit enter. It's going to do a search. You'll see this wheel moving up here, letting you know it's working. Also, they provide a 1-minute video here to explain to you what I'm going to explain to you. So, George Smith Jr., Security Life of Denver, which is probably an insurance policy. He has something over $250. And you can see a lot of these other ones are, there's $51.07, $28. A lot of these are small amounts, but nonetheless, you could have multiple claims. So all you do is select claim and hit continue. Then from the drop-down menu, you want to make sure if you're claiming it yourself, if you're an heir of a representative or of the estate, if you're a business owner, if you're a holder reimbursement. So for this, I would answer owner. And then you get to this page, and you would simply fill out all the information you need. Your information is kept secret with the state because this is a secured site. Once you claim this, with all the information, they will send you a confirmation email with a list of documentation that you will need to upload to prove that this claim belongs to you. Now, you may have previous names you've used, maybe even maiden names. So make sure you remember all the maiden names that you've used, or all the names you've used, including business names, and make a list of all those, along with a list of all the previous addresses as far back as you can remember to go. The more information you have, the more information you can provide to the state, the quicker they'll be able to process it and get you back your money. Congratulations again for being here. If you're in the state of Colorado, my name is Bill Durand. If you get a claim, you get a refund of any kind, send me a message, let me know, and let me know how long it took you.